5:34 this morning, we're learning that armed citizens have begun showing up at military recruiting centers across the country, saying they plan to protect recruiters. The move comes in wake of last week's fatal shootings of 4 Marines and a sailor in Chattanooga, Tennessee. We've also learned that the uncle of the accused shooter, Muhammad Abdulaziz, he's been in custody in Jordan since the day after the attacks. It happened after computers and cell phones were taken from his home. Now, he hasn't been charged with anything just yet, but we'll keep you updated should this situation change. In the meantime, here at home, the Michigan National Guard is stepping up security following last week's deadly attacks at those recruiting centers in Tennessee. 7 Action News reporter Kim Russell joins us now live from Detroit with that story. Kim?
Yes, I'm live at the Michigan National Guard Armory in Detroit, and if you take a look behind me, you can see that it has the ability to lock down. There are concrete blocks and a barbed wire fence around it, but at the same time, there is also an open gate. So a lot of people are asking, are these facilities that we have for our National Guard troops, are they secure enough? Are they too accessible? Well, the commander of Michigan's National Guard says additional security measures have been adopted after last week's deadly attacks at 2 Tennessee military facilities. The Guard says it plans to increase active shooter drills and to harden recruiting centers in response to the attacks. Representative Gary Glenn, meantime, of Midland, he said Governor Snyder should adopt a policy requiring Guard personnel to be armed. Several states have done that. So far, the governor has not done that here in Michigan, but at the same time, Guard members, if they have the license to do so, are allowed to carry. It's just voluntary. It's their choice. We'll let you know if any changes are made. Reporting live in Detroit, Kim Russell, 7 Action News.